Alright, going to do a box break now of the rookie threads. So let's see if we can't get some mojo. Just had a nice hit out of SP Game Used with the Kobe, McGrady and Garnett triple fabrics. So hopefully we get the same sort of love out of this one. Right, patch card straight up. Whoa, Javaris Crittenton patch number 39 of 50. That's a sweet 3-colour patch on one and 2-colour on the other. So that's a pretty sweet card. Then we've got Orlando Tucker and DJ Strawberry dual rookie jerseys. So pretty sweet. Sorry about the lighting. And Jared Dudley dual jersey. So there's a fair pack to start off with. Alright, Paul Pierce, Josh McRoberts signing day. So it's alright. Javaris Crittenton again, this time the jersey version. And we've got a triple here, Chris Richards, Taurean Green and Joakim Noah. So that's pretty sweet. Fill up and base. Sorry if you can hear my computer in the background, trying to upload some of the previous vids. I need to start pedaling the bike a bit harder, I think it's going pretty slow. Alright, so the first hit of this one is Carl Landry signing days. Another triple, DJ Strawberry, Glenn Davis and Joakim Noah again on that one. And that's actually a 2-colour jersey there at the top. It's a bit strange, orange and red. And a Brandon Wright, which has actually got a little bit of 2-colour on it as well, on the top part of the W. So yeah, there you go, that's that pack. Oh, that one's definitely a patch card, so I'll leave that one to last. Oh! This is obviously the Crittenton box. Javaris Crittenton, oh lovely. Auto jersey. Love the see-through part. Number to 799. It's a sweet looking card. If only I was a Lakers fan, I'd be stoked. That's a nice looking card. That's that pack. There we go. Aaron Brooks. Same one. These are nice looking cards. That's number to 799 as well. It's just sweet looking cards. And the last one, which isn't a patch though, just it was a thicker one. Oh sweet, scripted in times, Chris Paul auto. 506, obviously he's rookie on the back. So that's pretty sweet. Can't complain with that. Taurean Green dual jersey and a Kevin Durant 2-colour dual jersey, so that's pretty sweet. And that's it. The rest was base and a filler. That's not a bad box. Thanks very much for watching.